transition to offense. One up top with a left. Winners. The babyface assassin's defense is now serving him well. Nice job blocking that punch. Come on. What a big shot. Nice to see there with that three-punch combo.
Going to serve him as he moves forward in his career.
Look at that! Smokey hit the deck. He goes down. Our first knockdown we've seen tonight. Everybody, glad you've made the decision to be with us. Alongside Teddy Atlas, I'm Joe Tessitore, and we're glad to be bringing you action and welcoming you to the New York City Arena here in Midtown Manhattan for a much-anticipated main event. 10 rounds, middleweight action, and the anticipation for this bout has grown as the week has gone on. A lot of talk behind these two. Now it's time to walk the walk. Sweet Pea's on his way to the ring, and you can just tell what kind of night he intends this to be. He's just brimming with confidence. Brooks is making his way down to the ring, and he does so with a confidence where he knows he put all the hard work in, and he's ready to explode inside those ropes.
Introducing first, coming out of Pomona, Sweet Pea. His adversary, fighting out of Louisville, Big Brooks.
All right, gentlemen, protect yourselves at all times. Let's touch him up.
Opening 3 minutes of this 10-round fight. Think about the great historic moments in the sport, and many times you think about the one single big punch that finished a great fight. He's the kind of fighter that can do that here tonight.
Yeah, and more importantly than that, yeah, he has the power, but there's been other guys. Ernie Shavers had great power. He never won the heavyweight title. You have to have a trick to get it to the target when it's most needed, like Rocky Marciano against Ezra Charles. You know, Marciano had very little time left. His nose was split, and the ref was going to stop the fight. He had to land that punch, and he had a little trick. Started one hand, threw the other.
And that had some bite to it, that right hand by Big. And coming upon the halfway mark of this 3-minute round. Scores well to the head with the right hand. That is exactly what the corner wanted to see. A good combination punch by Brooks. Big's defense is now serving him well. Nice job blocking that punch.
Come on, come on.
Last 10 seconds of this first round. Sweet Pea's proving that he's here to fight. Just look at the punch stats.
Working in this fight is yours. Don't get
top with the right hand. Really good work right there, landing the 2 punches in sequence by Sweet Pea. Here's one for you now, he says, right back with the left hand. Fine fundamentals, good counterpunch. That's a forceful 2-punch combo by Sweet Pea.
Combo.
Like a sledgehammer, that uppercut by Brooks. Halfway through round number 2. That's an impactful right hand by Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea's putting his punches together now. That's a nice combination. Good step back counter punch there. And oh, what a good strong uppercut by Brooks. He took a shot, but he gives one of his own. A left hand scores. Very accurate to the body with that left hook. Then he brings the right hand. He took a shot, but he came back with a right hand of his own. Not an accurate hook at all. Staying away from those headshots with his defense up top. Come to the end of the round. Always interesting.
It helps. I know it helps me with the broadcast to know that you have these passionate fans that are around.
That's great stuff. He fires one right back after taking one. Gotta love the work by Big. Pulls the trigger right away with the left hand after getting tagged himself. Really digging up to land that uppercut by Big. Comes right back at him with a left hand.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Sweet Pea's showing you what it takes to be the best in this business. Good, crisp combos. He took a go of it to the body, but came up empty.
Come on, stay away from those. Come on, man.
Good block. 90 seconds to go here in this round. Gets rid of that. It was intended for his head.
In and out. In and out.
Getting rid of that punch from his opponent. Well blocked by Sweet Pea. Good looking right hand after he got hit. Nice block by Sweet Pea. A good, clean, old 1-2 by Brooks. Good right hand.
Keep working the body. Keep working the body.
10 clicks of the talk. How about a return to sender with the left hand? And round 3 comes to an end. Brooks is out in front as we take a look at Teddy's scorecard for the first time tonight, but they're still in a mode of just feeling each other out. Neither man has taken control of this bout so far. Teddy, what would you recommend based on what we're seeing here tonight?
Well, 2 aspirin and then go. Oh, no. Actually, I would say a little counterpunching would be just what the doctor ordered.
That's a better prescription for him. Targeting that midsection now with the combo.
Hey, man, come on now. Keep your feet moving. Come on now.
Not hitting his mark there, going upstairs. Brooks is gonna think about the next time he throws a punch because he just got hit by a good solid counter. Sweet Peas is being smart on the outside and now committing to that midsection as the target with the combination punching. Halfway through round number 4. A little give and take, and here comes the left hand. Sweet Peas swinging and missing like he's at bat right there. That punch was nowhere near his opponent. Sharp 3 punches landing by Sweet Pea. Takes one, but gives one. Good work by Big.
Focus.
Oh, and he's got something for him himself, and it's a left hand. Brooks is giving us a good showcase of defense here tonight, especially up top. His head movement is just sublime.
And his opponent's cooperating with him a little bit because he's getting frustrated. He's looking for that big shot, and he's continuing to miss. He's making no adjustments. A guy's moving his head. You know what you want to do? And then when he moves to either side, then you time him with a punch. Don't just go out there flailing away.
Well-targeted 2-punch combo by Sweet Pea. Good clean shot, returning fire. Well done by Brooks. Sweet Pea's almost looking foolish that time he missed so badly. Right back to the gut. Oh, that's good stuff. Firing right back with one of his own. Good work by Big. And you see what he can do when he sends that right to the head. He just missed that shot up top. Big's landing a combination here. That's what he does when he's at his very best. That was nice. He just drew the punch from his opponent, and then a good counter by Sweet Pea.
Yeah, like running through the rain without getting wet. Beautiful.
Sweet Pea's putting forth that hard work he did in training camp there, landing a crisp combination. Tried to land that upstairs and was off the mark. Comes right back at him with a left hand. Good work on the combination by Sweet Pea. Takes one to give one. He comes back with a right hand. You know, sometimes a fight takes on a life of its own. This fight has grown into something bigger than both men. They both have risen each other up.
Yes, that's a good point. They've made each other better. They forced each other to become something that when they got to the arena tonight, they were not sure they could be that.
The start of the 6th round. Brooks is out there for another round in a fight that he's been in complete control of so far.
Moving enough. Move.
Left hook, right hand, well done, especially to the body. Wow, a big flush blow, the left hand by Brooks. Sets up that right hand with the jab. What a great job. He gave one right back in return. Nice work by Sweet Pea. Super 2-punch combo by Big. See, that's the work they want to see with the right hand by Sweet Pea. Big's putting together punch stats tonight that fall right in line with what his strategy is. Outside fighter, throwing lots of jabs, landing lots of jabs.
Well, what it is the jab is the table setter. And the jab tonight has set up the table where he's been able to eat whenever he's wanted.
Nice work on the combination by Sweet Pea. All-out action throughout this round. Let's see how they finish it up. when the right hand comes into play by Sweet Pea. He missed with that headshot. Brooks is not just loading up. He's landing combination punches like he did right there. Nice strike after catching one by Sweet Pea. More than one punch downstairs. That can be damaging. Final 10 seconds of the 6th round. Blocks a shot and pulls the trigger. Back to action here at the start of this round, which is just part of what has been a very evenly fought fight. One of those fights that's going to be very hard to score. Sweet Pea's making a mockery of this right now. I mean, the guy's not even moving. He's just standing there.
Hey, look, you see people quit. You see people give up in different aspects of life. He may be doing that right now.
There's the old 1-2 coming after him. Sweet Pea's coming up with the answers, avoiding that punch. Snapping hook by Sweet Pea. Halfway through the 7th round.
He's tired. He's tired, champ. Come on, now's your chance.
He got hit right there, but he also gave one. Solid effort by Sweet Pea. Well-targeted classic 1-2 by Sweet Pea.
You're not focusing. You're not focusing.
10 seconds remaining in this round. And round 7 comes to an end. Start of round number 8 here. Let's look at Teddy's scorecard. As you can see, Big's up on Teddy's scorecard. He's been applying a good amount of pressure, and many times, you get a close competitive fight like this, you're always going to give the lean to the guy who's working more.
Yeah, he's keeping him defensive. You know, his offense is also working as his defense because, yeah, we're saying that he's ahead because he's working more, as you just said, and you said properly. But the guy ain't working. There's a reason why. Because this guy's working more. He's keeping him defensive-minded.
There's an excellent combination by Sweet Pea.
Combos, combos.
Didn't get it done going to the body there. Keeping his hands up, getting way of his opponent's effort. Big's leaving himself wide open there. You just can't do that.
Well, you can do it, but you're going to get paid. You're going to eat some leather. You're going to get punched in the mouth. That's going to happen.
Lands flush with the 2-punch combo by Sweet Pea.
There you go. Keep moving. Keep moving.
Sweet Pea's impressing the judges and himself with that right hand. Oh, and they decide to trade there. That's great stuff. He fires one right back after taking one. Gotta love the work by Big. Targeting that head with the combination punching. 3 minutes gone by in this round. Good action throughout. We'll see if it keeps up in this round of what has been a very even fight. Oh, what a whiff by Big. Sweet Pea's so dangerous with that accuracy, a two-punch combination landing. Keeping his hands up, getting rid of his opponent's offense. Big's doing well here with that two-punch combination. Took a shot, now he gives a left. Big stunned and he is hurt. He's jumping all over him now. Brooks is nailed by that shot, absolutely rocked. He could go down here, Teddy. Big shot he just scored with. Big uppercut comes home, and he's down.
One, two, three.
Brooks is back up on his feet. Let's see what he has now. Good way to protect the midsection.
Unload. Good. Hit the body, baby. Body blow. Uppercut.
Oh, he took some damage, but he gave some back with the right hand.
Good.
Left hook to the body, right hand, nicely done. Oh, and he returns fire with a left hand. Nice defense, good block by Sweet Pea.
You're still not moving enough. Move.
Solid. And once again, he goes down. The question is, can he rise up again?
One, two, 3, 4, 5.
Right now, the only thing he knows is he's got flashballs going off in his head.
Brooks is not putting forth much offense at all. Now listen, I get it. You put forth some offense, you got hurt, you were stunned in this fight, so now you're strictly thinking defense. But at some point, he's got to change.
Yeah, he does. Otherwise, he can't win this fight. And his opponent is...
And a big right hand by Big. Good combination, hook into the body with the left, and then go. Big. Oh, and there you go. Knocked down again. Unreal.
Now you gotta wonder what the corner's thinking. Are they gonna stop this?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
He's being dominated now. Yes, he got up from that knockdown, but this fight could be over at any moment. You got to think the referee's taking a look.
If he's a good ref, he is, but fighters have come back. As dismal as this looks, as bad as this looks, they have come back before.
Nice.
Halfway through this 10th and final round.
Get in there. Let's go. Keep moving. Nice.
Back and forth exchange.
Some punches.
And yet another big shot comes in. How is he going to survive this? Once again, he hits the deck.
He's gonna have to find a way.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
It's over. This fight is over. Brooks is unable to get up and continue on.